Meet Fitbit Sense, the advanced health smartwatch that helps you tune into your body and guides you toward better health. The EDA Scan app detects electrodermal activity, which may indicate your body's response to stress, and the built-in skin temperature sensor logs yours each night so you can see when it varies. It assesses your heart for atrial fibrillation. An on-wrist skin temperature sensor tracks yours each night so you can see how it varies. You can also see your nightly blood oxygen levels at a glance with Fitbit collection of clock faces. It gives free 6-month trial of Fitbit Premium for new premium users. High and low heart rate notifications alert you if yours seems above or below your average. The battery lasts 6+ days plus. Fast charging gives you a full day's charge in just 12 minutes. You can use built-in GPS during runs, hikes, rides and more to see pace and distance without your phone, and use the built-in microphone and speaker to take Bluetooth calls hands-free when your phone is nearby. You can also use Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa built-in to get quick news, set bedtime reminders and alarms, control your smart home devices and more just by speaking to your watch. For more information about this Fitbit Sense smartwatch, visit the link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Please like the video and share your ideas in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for the next upcoming videos. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.